Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down Microsoft, and in this video you will get two quick things: a clear fundamental overview and a simplified technical outlook based on Elliott waves. And at the end I will tell you exactly which levels I expect the correction to reach, where I see the main buy zones, and where the current structure breaks. Starting with fundamentals. Over the last couple of years, Microsoft revenue has been growing at a steady 15–17% annually. EPS has been growing almost in the same rhythm. Stable, healthy, but not explosive growth. Looking quarter by quarter this year, the pattern is similar. EPS is about 9–12% over the last 3 quarters. Revenue is up by roughly the same amount, and overall we will likely finish the year with mid-teens growth. Now the interesting part. Microsoft stopped its buyback program in March 2023. For 6 years, they were buying back shares consistently, and now for the last 2 years, nothing. That's important because buybacks were a major driver of EPS expansion. If we check Microsoft using Peter Lynch formula, Peter Lynch valuation logic, EPS growth around 15%, but PE is about 30. This means Microsoft is overvalued roughly twofold, although the business remains strong. Cash flow is still rising, that's positive, but valuation-wise, the company is expensive, and the stopping of buybacks removes one of the engines that supported EPS over the last decade. So fundamentally, Microsoft is stable, high quality but clearly overpriced, and no longer offering the same risk reward it did historically. Switching to the technical picture, the long-term trend is still strongly upward. Microsoft has been moving inside a massive channel since 2010. Unless this channel breaks, the broader trend remains bullish. Microsoft also consistently bounces off the 200-day moving average, and as long as we hold above it, the long-term structure stays intact. Right now, the market is likely in the final fifth subwave of the larger third wave. That means upside is still possible. 600, even 700 is realistic before we hit a major multi-year sideways cycle. But before the next push higher, a sharp correction is very likely. The structure almost demands a pullback. Now the most important part, the levels. Correction zone $400 and $450. This is the main area I expect Microsoft to fall into. 400 and 450 is a strong cluster of support, and if price dropped into this zone, we can expect buyers to step in and the trend to resume. This is crucial. If Microsoft falls below $345, the entire current Elliott structure breaks. Below that level, the bullish outlook changes completely. 345 is the logical stop level. If price corrects into $400 and $450 and holds, then the next long-term target remains around 700, with the potential to go higher. If you are already in the position, hold but consider using protection if needed. The trend is intact. If you are looking to enter, don't chase the highs. Wait for the 400–450 pullback zone.